friends! How is it going? I hope you're doing well. Our lesson for today will be about
animals and their young ones in English. Part 1. Cat, cat. Kitten, kitten. Dog, dog. Puppy, puppy. Mouse, mouse. Pinkies or pups, pinkies or pups. Hen, hen. Chick, chick. Cock, cock. Horse, horse. Foal, foal. Donkey, donkey. Foal, foal. Cow, cow. Calf, calf. Bull, bull. Ewe, ewe. Lamb, lamb. Sheep, sheep. Goat, goat. Billy, billy. Camel, camel. Calf, calf. Rabbit, rabbit. Bunny, bunny. Duck, duck. Duckling, duckling. Ostrich, ostrich. Chick, chick. Turkey, turkey. Poulet, poulet. Peacock, peacock. Peacock, peacock. Pigeon, pigeon. Squad, squad. Goose, goose. Gosling, gosling. Stork, stork. Chick, chick. Crow, crow. Chick, chick. Parrot, parrot. Chick, chick. Penguin, penguin. Chick, chick. Eagle, eagle. Eaglet, eaglet. Owl, owl. Owlet, owlet. Bat, bat. Pup, pup.
That's all for today. I hope you found this lesson useful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next lesson. Bye!